Replacement windows. Conway is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. Our window contractors in Conway specialize in providing top-notch window solutions, including energy-efficient windows and vinyl window replacement. Conway. Whether you're interested in double-hung windows, Conway, or custom replacement windows, Conway, our team of window experts. Conway is here to assist you. Energy-efficient replacement windows. Conway are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Our residential window services Conway offer a wide range of window options. Conway, including window upgrades. Conway and window enhancements. Conway, to ensure your home is both stylish and efficient. With our window estimates Conway, you can explore various window styles Conway and find the perfect fit for your home. For those in need of replacement windows, Conway services our window specialists. Conway provide comprehensive window maintenance, Conway and window replacement services. From window glass replacement Conway to window frame installation Conway, we cover all aspects of window services in Conway AR. Our window quotes Conway are competitive, ensuring you receive the best window services Conway has to offer. Home replacement windows. Conway is made easy with our expert window contractors Conway AR. We offer a variety of window materials Conway AR, including vinyl windows and custom designs, to suit your specific needs. Our window designs Conway are tailored to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home while providing superior functionality. Window solutions. Conway are designed to meet the diverse needs of homeowners in the area. Whether you're looking for window enhancements Conway or need assistance with replacement windows, Conway, our team is dedicated to providing the best window services. Conway. Trust our window experts Conway to deliver exceptional results for all your window needs. In Conway AR, replacement windows. Conway options are abundant, with a focus on quality and durability. Our window specialists Conway are committed to offering the best window services Conway, ensuring your home is equipped with the latest window technologies. From window estimates Conway to window quotes Conway AR, we provide transparent pricing and expert guidance throughout the process. Choose our window contractors Conway for all your window installation and replacement needs. With a wide selection of window styles Conway and energy-efficient windows, Conway, we guarantee satisfaction and long-lasting performance. Contact us today for the best replacement windows Conway services and experience the difference our window experts Conway can make for your home.